Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 10 TabMax, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's open the settings firstly, and here we have to find the display. Now let's find the eye comfort mode, which should be on the fourth position. So let's tap on it. And here, before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on. So let's tap on this switcher, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then it will be the best mode for you. So currently, let's take a look at this switcher. So currently we've got it set, let's say, right in the middle, so the color temperature is not too warm or cool. So by going to the left with it, we can make it much cooler, and it will be almost invisible. And by going to the right, much warmer. So it's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. I will stick with this one. What's more, you can set the schedule here. So just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, you can schedule the plan. Just tap on it, and you've got two different options. So you can custom the schedule, so you will be able to easily pick the time you'd like to use. So for example, this one, tap on OK, and as you can see, the screen immediately changes the colors. It is because we are between the start and the end time. Or you can pick from sunset to sunrise, and simply your device will decide when the sunset and sunrise are. I don't know, probably network based or something like that. But let me get back, let me turn off the schedule option. I will stick with the manual one. And basically this is the whole customization of this feature. So if you'd like to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar fully and find the eye comfort mode here. So currently it is of course turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher or the icon, and since this eye icon is crossed out, it means that eye comfort mode is turned off. What's more, the screen just got back to its normal state. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your TCL Tab 10 Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.